What are the major differences between solvent cleaning and water-based cleaning? The vast majority of solvent cleaning machines are running under vacuum with a built-in distillation. Most aqueous machines are an open system, multi-chamber system and without a built-in distillation unit. What does it mean in reality? Let's have a look into the processes. A solvent machine is a machine with a single working chamber, enclosed unit and no product carryover. The aqueous process is a system with multi-stages. That means washing tanks, rinsing tanks and therefore product carryover. Additional drying steps also needed. Because of the single process in a solvent machine, you have lower cycle times, less floor space is needed, and in comparison to aqueous systems, most of the aqueous systems do have a horizontal setup because of the multi-chamber system, which ends up in more floor space needed. Let's check the potential for recycling. When we have a look at the solvent system, the solvent itself will constantly distilled and reused. Regarding the aqueous process, a frequent bath exchange is needed if not treated well. As for the drying process, please keep in mind that the vacuum enables you to bring out completely dried parts in the solvent process. In water-based processes, you need an additional step to make the parts dry. You need heaters or blowers to remove all residues at the end. And last but not least, solvents are suitable for non-polar contaminations, organic contaminations like oils, fat and greases. Solvents are one of the best solutions when you have to clean tiny and very complex parts. Water-based cleaners are suitable for inorganic contaminations, polar contaminations like salts or residues of emulsions and so on. It is a good solution when you clean wet in wet, like you do it in painting or coloring. And don't forget, it can be combined with another surface treatment solution like phosphating or plating. So now that you know the major differences between solvent and water-based cleaning, you might be wondering what's better, solvent or aqueous. Please check our next video to find the answer.